Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the positioning method on the Canon EOS R50 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button, and then we're going to go to the section AF and then subsection number 3 by using these 4 buttons to navigate through the menus. So there we go, subsection number 3, and then we're going to select touch and drag AF settings by pressing on the set button. And here you have the positioning method option. You can also press set again and select either absolute or relative. So once you've selected the option that you want, you can just exit out the menu and the options will be automatically saved. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.